Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm joined by Koke.
Hola Sithibo mfethu. Ukraine.
Izinja.
Mnani mnani.
Mnani.
Greetings man to ama-fans we-TV family man. Nibe right bafethu. Bafethu asiqale ngendaba ezimnandi ne. Eze Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have been trying left and right to improve the situation yabo. I think ukuthi first of all Kaizer Chiefs before sibonga abadlali ukuthi bawinile and everything. Lo muntu ozenomqondo ukuthi le game is like eDobsonville.
Yeah.
Udeserve ama-flowers wakhe.
Yeah.
That was a very intelligent move.
Brilliant move.
Ngazo zonke indlela and even abo groundsmen, the people that were working kule ground lela like Dobsonville, top notch. I did not expect Dobsonville ibeka so ground lakhona.
Pitch yakho.
Very clean, we carpet. Lana vele mosha first touch kushuthi vele awukho mnandi. Awukho mnandi yabo. Yeah, iground imilivuma akunama bump akuna in yabo.
Can't blame me crowd.
So yeah, for Kaizer Chiefs kwenza lento lena I think uthi right. Going forward for Kaizer Chiefs I so wish ukuthi they could consider some of their games bawalethelana, you know, because mawuletha ama game ekasi namajita. Remember ukuthi lama player lawa before sibabona ku Kaizer Chiefs kuphi badlala la. It's either udlalelana asase ePotweni, adlala ku ABC or adlala kuMtsipe or adlala ku second division la eSouth Africa. Somehow it brings back ama memories ukuthi basuka kuphi. And having ifeel yasekasi, you know, mawuphume ekasi uyesilungwini uyazi ukuthi kunomoya yasesilungwini mawungene ekasi uyazi ukuthi kunomoya yasekasi and it brings back lento le emajiteni. That is why I think ukuthi amajita adlale ngefle namhlanje because it brings back lento le ukuthi sekasi ahlala ibhola lethu lasekasi uyangithola lento le la iqale khona iqale la elokushini. And also we have to remember ukuthi le stadium lesi ngiyasiza sikhuluma ngasithi Dobsonville, le stadium lesi i home ground of one of the greatest teams zala South Africa, Morocco Swallows. We need to remember that le stadium lesi kula kuzalwa khona iMorocco Swallows. Let me take you back kancane ngehistory. iMorocco Swallows yadalwa umuntu oyi-1 wenze Orlando Pirates. And iMorocco Swallows nePirates umama nobaba we-Chiefs. Amawazi history uzoyibamba lento le. Uyangithola. So mawuzalana i-Chiefs kahle izimzini omkhulu.
Olahleka kanjani wayePitori?
Mina phela ngizalwa ngale mina ePitori. Ngizalwa ngale ePitori mina. So iChiefs mayizalana kufanele ukuthi njengabantu abala egoli ababuye emakhaya ubuyele emakhaya uyothatha amandla. Mizothatha amandla lana. It was given ukuthi izowina. Uyangithola. Uzedlozini lakho la, izedlozini layo la iChiefs. Istadium se Morocco Swallows. Asiyeni phambili esingene game. And then singene game tactical I think ukuthi iChiefs by now ispine sesitholile. Masikhuluma ngespine sikhuluma from goalkeeper, center back, holding midfielder, striker. That's a spine in football.
Okay.
Once you have that, you have a core, your team. Goalkeeper Peterson, a spine, you have number 4 ukwinika nalumjita lona lo mekadlala naye. And then moza phambili kwabo uza ku Ox and then going forward uthola Ecuador. That's a spine. Now once you have your spine right, then the rest of the team ama-puzzle ayakwazi ukuhlangana. Uyangithola. That's why you find ukuthi bayakwazi ukudlala abomdusha abalala and nabomfundo bayakwazi ukudlala because u-Ox is doing the dirty job for them. U-Ox is a very important player Kaizer Chiefs, including even Ndlovu. Ndlovu mina I was happy makaza ku Kaizer Chiefs because I know ukuthi ukwazi kwenza lento le eyenzwa ngo-Ox. Uzonikeza labafana ifreedom yokudlala yena while atlina. Uyangithola. So Ox ushaya cleaning job emnandi. Even na last game esimbhekile eSoccer City, u-Ox prevent ama-attack amaningi wesiwelele ngali. There was a time ukuthi ngabe uyipunishile uChristian Sayili Kaizer Chiefs, but amabhola amaningi makablock abantu u-Ox. Uyangithola uyawushaya umsebenzi wakhe clean. For mina man of the match it could be u-Ox or Ecuador bring in something Kaizer Chiefs ngayileka. Uyangithola. For many strikers adlala Kaizer Chiefs baleka in ukubamba ibhola. The ability to hold the ball, the ability to move from ama center back uzo receive ibhola lana ulunikeza midfielder. Uyangithola idlala le back midfield bakwazi ukwenza ama run around wena. Uyangithola. So in lento leyo the man to get right I think with le department le Kaizer Chiefs 10 out of 10 ibhola labo that's why imnandi ne build up yabo. and I saw no cross naye aligibela kancane ibhola shows ukuthi umjida uhappy badlala kamnandi and then let's move ke manje kulezi ezikhalisayo ezayizolo ezayizolo sigene kwezayizolo kunento engicela ukuyikhuluma ngento enza uEcuador ukuthi ukwazi ukubamba ibhola adlalisa ama midfield iPirates lacked that yesterday
Yes.
baqala igame bengena striker so ubani ozokubambela amabhola bese ama midfielder wakho agijima angene ama-passage akekho udlala wonke umuntu odlala naye udlala in front of ama opponent akekho umuntu obamba ama center back so they can shape baziprepare kahle so I once told you Sithibo ngathi ucoach Orlando Pirates akana plan
Remember that.
udlala ngokuthi awubani operformayo. That is why ayenza imistake ukudlalisa usibili uSibisi ngale because uSibisi had a great game kubafana abafana so he thought automatically nangalo uzodlala kamnandi. Uyabona ukuthi awuna plan of which le center back yamsebenzela uMbokazi noSiyema. But because uSibisi has a great game uyamdlalisa because why depending on individual brilliance you always want to steal your moment there. You saw even the way afake ngakhona uKabelo Dlamini ukuthi is depending on that individual brilliant thing. Let's say uDlamini ungilangazanga perform kanje isapi yakhe mengeke yenza sense. Uyangithola so lamjida lo akana plan bafethu and amajida masibheke lapha kwePirates uReally uMakhetleni Makhawula uMakhopa uChaini uSibisi uMboka wonke lama player walapha last season they've got more experience than their coach lo ya so umcoacha kanjani umuntu okushaya ngeexperience ungaba isupervisor yami mara mina ngiyadlula ngomsebenzi never umsupervisor kanjani mina ngidlula ngomqondo ngazi umsebenzi ukudlula wena mara wena usupervisor mina ayikho asibeni fair ayikho. That is why there was a game whereby Unduli megafuna ukhipha Unduli amajida abusipho bakhala but Unduli makadlala ndoda uye udlale you see that experience. That's what I'm talking about. They've experienced, they know the importance of having Unduli grounding. Uyangithola bayazi ukuthi Unduli bayenzelani ucoach umkhiphela ini it shows ukuthi bane experience ukudlula ucoach kahle lapha ucoach decoration uyiteko ayikho into akayenzayo mele bamtshele mama ngamtsheli vele uyofambula. I think it's something even we saw ibody language yaka Chain. I think it's some of those things ezenza uChain ukuthi izolo mangabe usegaming. If you look at uChain makusha ama penalty ibody language yakhe man he was not there. I think those are some of the things ezenza ukuthi phela boChain they've been there. That's uChain win a back to back MTN 8 back to back in Nedbank why Africa kwadlala last 4 so he knows the way yangithola yokuwina izinto ukuthi siwina kanjani. So if you're going to come in as a coach and when ufuna experimenta lapha yakho it's time to deliver yangithola Orlando Pirates bayithengele ama player i15 lama player i15 mawalethwa ku-Orlando Pirates they were not bebengalethela ukuthi bazobuilder they were there ukuthi bazo-aida. The core was already there. Ngijilile ngecore, but the core is already there. You have Umbokazi part of the core. You have Usibisi part of the core. But bafaka nalo mfana lo uCM part of the core. You already have a core, and then uza phakathi. I part of the core Orlando Pirates phakathi abantu Umbatha no Makhetleni Makhawula. Makhetleni Makhawula ulimele but Umbatha ukhona. That's your core. Uyaphambili uyakuphi? Uya uMakhopa or you have uMabasa. That's the core. That's the spine. And then uzoba nabo boTito and whoever when uzomletha into the game ukuthi iTeam ibe right. So lo coach lo ufika uchange zonke lezo zinto lezo. You look at iplayer kulama player lamadlala la izolo. How many of them were there? Lesikhathi lesi iPirates idlala nePyramids.
There are few.
Very few. And then you want to win. Those are the players that understand and know ukuthi masifuna ukwina games wina kanjani. Ama mistake eswayenzile ukuthi shawe Pyramids ama mistake kanjani. And then when ubabeke benchini. You ask yourself why Mbatha was not playing. Why you bringing in Dlamini late? Why all of these games with Dlamini mengadlali? Ngithola uMabasa naye why Mabasa is not playing? Mabasa makashama hat-trick last season. Mabasa is a player, is a striker that was once a top goal scorer like South Africa. But you am bencher. Right now in South Africa ibheka uMakhopa. uMakhopa uyosthathwa sifaka World Cup when umbeke benchini.
Wadu
akana plan and as much as akana plan coach Wadu akana plan bafethu ngiyabonga and another thing engifuna ukuyi-add kancane before ngivala bafethu mele sikhulume sithi ucoach wadu akanayo mental fitness and emotional intelligence, and it showed playing. Uyangithola? That is why also ama player athola a red card unnecessary. And you saw le guy lana Umukoko get into Orlando, I own Orlando, I ends he get into the players' heads, he get into the tactical team's heads, and he finally gets into the heads. Yeah, my fan. It shows you good Mabati South African players, they lack mental fitness. This is what we're talking about. Because winning ama game so you don't just only win them or you first win them in mentality.
Ayinjayam.